How to transfer WhatsApp chats from iPhone to Android without cable. So let's get started. As stated, there are only few ways to transfer WhatsApp from iPhone to Android without cable, and one of them is via Mobile Trans app. It is easy to use and secure software and one of the best apps for phone and file transfer. So firstly, download and install Mobile Trans app on both iPhone and Android. Then open the app on your iPhone and tap phone to phone. After that, confirm that this iPhone is the old phone. Now, confirm that you wish to send data from iPhone to Android. Then select WhatsApp data. You can also select the other data types to send along, and after that click send option available there. Then follow the prompts on the screen to connect both devices. As soon as a connection is established, the transfer will start and wait for the process to be completed. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.